How to fix Google Play Store not responding. So otherwise, in this quick footage video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So the first pay was you need to simply hold on your mobile screen lock button. So I will simply hold on that. Once you guys hold on that, you guys will see restart, power off is simply restart your phone. If that doesn't work and still your Play Store is not working, the second method was you need to check your internet connection. So if your internet connection was okay, double will be work. The Play Store will be work. If that doesn't work, the third option was you will simply go to settings. So you'll simply go to settings. Here you guys will simply search for apps. So I will search for apps. Once you search for apps, you guys will scroll. Here you guys will see apps, app management. Simply click on app management. Here you guys will see app management. So click on app management. Now all apps you will see. So simply search here for Google Play Store. So I will search for Play Store. Now click on Google Play Store. Here you guys will see storage usage. You simply click here. Now here you guys can see cache data. So simply click on clear cache. After that, check Play Store. If it's works, there's okay. If doesn't, simply click on clear data. And once you click on clear data, your Play Store will start working. That's how you guys can do that if your Google Play Store is not responding. Thanks for watching.